Today we'll be looking at the water softener on this Bosch dishwasher. A faulty water softener on the Bosch dishwasher would cause these effects to occur. One would be a leak. You'd get an E15 error code. The other would be mineral deposits building up on the inside of the dishwasher as the water is not cycling through the salt and the clay pod. To access this component, you must first pull the dishwasher from under the counter. Now with the dishwasher out, we have access to the screws that hold the base in place. The two in the rear we'll get to in a second. Right now we're going to remove what Bosch calls the sheet cover.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.